What's up, everybody? So today I just wanted to do a quick video of how to get Google Inbox if you use Gmail, which helps separate and organize your emails, helps filter out basically, different things like if you purchase something, if something's an important message, and it's a really cool feature. If you don't have it, is primarily also if you use Gmail for your business. So if you have a domain name and you use Gmail as your email, it really helps with that as well. So watch this quick video. We're going to show you guys how to knock it out really quick and activate it so you can get organized. And I love it. I use it all the time. It's my primary. I don't even use the regular Gmail anymore. May take a second if you're new to it to get used to it, because it's obviously something that is not new to you, but I promise you, use it for one day, you'll be in love with it. So hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and we definitely appreciate you watching it. Had to sport my Saints gear because we are in the playoffs, going to make it all the way, hopefully. So thanks for watching. I sincerely appreciate it, and I hope this helps you out. Real quick, so we'll just check one of my accounts, but I don't have it on this account right here, and that's what we want to do. We want to enable Google Inbox. So let me jump to one of my accounts that does have the inbox so you can kind of get a look. So you have your primary account, you have your social, which any social feed you have, promotions, basically people trying to send you coupons, and then updates for other important stuff that you have coming on as well. So basically today what we're going to want to do is we want to get in and activate Google Inbox. So if you use Google email like myself, what you want to do is just come over here and you want to go down to administration. Okay, so once you're on administration, it's going to pull up and you are going to have to come over here and you want to come to apps, go to the G Suite function right here, and then you want to click on your Gmail. Okay, when you click on your Gmail, what you're going to do is you're going to go all the way down to your advanced settings right here, and when that pulls up, I don't know why my computer's running so slow, but when that pulls up, okay, this advanced setting, you just want to scroll down until you get right here, inbox for Gmail, and you want to enable the inbox for Gmail and click on understand right there. And once you do that, it basically will go ahead and activate the inbox so that way you can get all of the functions that it's capable of. And once again, I do highly recommend that. Okay, so now that you've clicked the inbox button, okay, what you want to do is you want to come to your settings over here and then configure your inbox, primary, social, promotions, if you want to do the updates, and then of course forums, and then you would just basically save that. Okay, and you can see up here it's going to be loading out, and what it's going to do is going to take it and it's going to label all of this for us. So now it's easily separated and we can get it into action so we can use it more efficiently. And I really do hope this helps you guys out. Once again, I really love it. It breaks it in and makes getting to the important emails a lot quicker, in my opinion, and it keeps things organized. So good luck, and just hit me up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and please make sure that you subscribe. I sincerely appreciate it. I look to try to bring as much helpful videos as possible. Thanks a lot.